The lightning spell in Clash of Clans is an elixir spell used to attack buildings and enemy troops with lightning. The lightning spell deals area damage with lightning, effective against air defenses, mortars, wizard towers, and more. This spell is very useful for air attack strategies, especially for destroying air defenses before deploying troops like dragons or balloons. The lightning spell is commonly used for destroying air defense, eliminating clan castle troops, taking down heroes or small buildings. At max level, the lightning spell has 680 damage and can be upgraded in the laboratory. When combined with the earthquake spell, it can be used to destroy high HP buildings like Eagle Artillery or Scattershot.